Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install PGP encryption with Proton Mail Bridge, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a Proton Mail account. Download the Proton Mail Bridge from the official Proton Mail website. Install the downloaded file by double-clicking it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Once installed, launch the Proton Mail Bridge application. You will see a login screen. Enter your Proton Mail credentials and log in. Upon logging in, the bridge will generate your encryption keys. Make note of the local IMAP and SMTP settings displayed. Next, open your email client of choice. Navigate to the Settings or Account Configuration section. Add a new email account using the IMAP settings provided by the bridge. Input your local SMTP settings during the account setup. Ensure you enter your Proton Mail credentials when prompted. After configuration, save your settings and restart your email client. Once restarted, your Proton Mail should sync with your email client. Test the configuration by sending an encrypted email to yourself. Check if the email is received correctly in both your Proton Mail and email client. If you encounter any issues, review your settings for accuracy. Refer to Proton Mail's Help Center for troubleshooting tips if necessary. Now, you're successfully using PGP encryption with Proton Mail Bridge. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.